back to my channel. It's Tati here. For today's video, I'll show y'all how I achieved this hairstyle. I did mini box braids on my hair, on my natural hair, no extension. I did this because I just wanted a protective style for the month of December, since I'm not, you know, in school or whatever, so I wouldn't have to worry about doing it. So yeah, this took me a really long time, but I think it turned out really nice. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Hey y'all, I'm starting off with clean hair. If you want to see my wash routine, I have a video on it. I'll leave it in the iCards. Next, I go in and I section my hair off into 3 sections, and then I go into one section and I start my parts.
We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire and we burning one hell of a something.
Okay, so I'm going in with my first product. It is the Butter Therapy Curl Wave and Twist Cream. I got this from the mall. I'm not sure if they still sell it in the mall, but you can get it from buttertherapy.com. Then I detangle the section, and then on top of that I go in with my Eco Salad Gel, just so I can tame the frizz a bit. So next I just start to braid. I don't braid super tight all the way to my scalp. I just, you know, just braid it. I don't want a whole bunch of tension on my scalp, and then I want this style to last for a very long time. So okay, so yeah, that's basically all I do. I did interchange between another product by Miss Jessie. I'll insert it so y'all can see, and the product I already mentioned. I did that so I could see if like it would tame the frizz more, because my hair is very frizzy, but it didn't. It was basically the same amount of frizz. So any moisturizer will do, and a gel on top. So other than that, that's all. So y'all can continue watching.
Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of everything.
Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. And we gonna let it burn, 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 burn. That's when we uncover, cover, cover. down my neck. Good for you, good for you. Say you never let me go. Good for you, good for you. Wait for me to come home. I'll just keep on making the same mistakes. Set me free, hoping that you understand. Let me live that fantasy. That same old love. That same old love. That same old love. Baby, I'm perfect for you. Don't understand that the way we got a million miles ahead of us. Miles ahead of us. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. She don't see how perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it, her body goes deeper than the surface. Distant when we're kissing, feels so different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so? If you want to keep me, you gotta let me live that fantasy.
So he calls me up and he's like, I still love you. And I'm like, I mean, this is exhausting, you know? Like, we're never getting back together.
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. It's too late to say sorry
Cause I'm just holding on for tonight, on for tonight, on for tonight. Yes, I'm just holding on for tonight, on for tonight, on for tonight.
to the rhythm.
You got that that I've been looking for. Been running around for so long. Now I got you, I won't let you go.
Fuck if I knew how to put it romantic. Speaking my truth, there's no need to panic. 'Cause I got you, you, I got you, I got you. I know sad songs, darling. I know sad songs, sad songs. We're stressed out.
Two hours later.
Are we tone deaf? Keep sweeping it under the mat. we are made of blind souls. She tries to cover up her pain.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, like to get your lane. Switch on my clothes, I can anything.
True love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. You held me down, but I got get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. And just like that, oh, I breathe, oh, I feel, you're all for me. I mean, this is the life. This is the life. This is the still falling for you, still falling for you.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out.
Just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Say go through the darkest of days, having some heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me